Hi, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how I do my eyebrows the way as you can see on the video. I will be showing you the products that I be using for my eyebrow. It doesn't really focus on the products, so I will be posting the products down below. First thing I do, I brush my eyebrows. I will start outlining my eyebrows from the bottom, then top, from the middle to the end. I don't do my inner eyebrows just yet after I do my outer eyebrows. I like my outer eyebrows darker than the inner, and my eyebrows really arched. As of right now, I was trying to wet my brush to make a bit darker pigmented of the gel, but it didn't work, so I will just keep working with it. After I'm done with that, I will go inner from the bottom, just a straight line, and start brushing it upwards just to make little hair strokes and make it lighter than the end of your eyebrow. Just trying to fix the end of my eyebrow here. Isn't really working, so I will be cleaning that with my concealer. And if you do a little mistake up in your eyebrows, you could always use a concealer afterwards just to clean it off, which I like to do. Some people don't like using the concealer for their eyebrows. I think it's more clean when you do use a concealer. So I am using the concealer just the way I would add my eyebrows on, just the same way. I like my inner down, then making my arch, and then downwards. You could do it however you like your eyebrows to be shaped. This is just how I like my eyebrows to be shaped. Sometimes whenever I conceal at the top of my eyebrows, I go too much in the middle, so I will just go over with my gel again and just make a straight line, just wiping off the concealer, and that is my final look pretty much, because I'm not putting foundation in this video. And there you go. Hope you guys like it.